Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to enable share option on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to your profile. Here, I am opening my profile already. So you can now scroll down. Scroll down. Here you can select the post that you want to enable share option on Facebook. I can select this post, and after this you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, and here you can now tap on edit privacy, and after this make sure you can select the audience that is public. After selecting the audience public, you can now tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, and after this anyone on Facebook can share your post on his or her timeline, and it is a way you can enable share option on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.